Welcome back to Hollywood Consulting Channel. Today is a quick tutorial showing you how to enhance product photos utilizing Canva. If you like what we're doing, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe to continue to receive content that we're constantly uploading on YouTube. Okay, so let's dive in. Here goes my Canva dashboard. And I'm going to go to the left over at apps, and here is product photos. Now I click on here, and this is an area that Canva has that you can upload your product photos and actually enhance them to make them look a little more presentable. So I'm clicking here, and I'm going to upload product photos that I'm utilizing for a client who has a cat business, and I'm just going to use this to show you guys how this works. So I uploaded that first one. I'm going to upload a couple of more. Okay, as I'm adding more, I just want to make you guys aware that you can select images that you have already uploaded in Canva, or you can upload new images from whichever PC you're utilizing, and it will download it to Canva in order for you to do this part of the process. This tool is a great way to enhance the images and make them more professional, especially if you're utilizing them for websites, any type of marketing, digital marketing material, as well as doing product listings and so forth and so on. I'm finalizing uploading the product photos that I'm going to use. I'm going to use this for possibly social media, but most importantly, this is just for me to show you. So now I got my products, and now I'm going to go over and to select my style for my photos. You see they have the standard white background, 3D shadows, showcase, wooden table, royal, and then you can click over here to automotive, which is not what I'm going to be using. So I'm going to go and use showcase for mine and apply it. So now it's preparing the photos, and once it prepares, here you have it. It takes some time to process. So we're waiting for that to process and make sure that it's completed, and then our photos will appear with the background that we chose. Anything I talk where you talk, I go do. Me, I know they see another girl for my visuals. Loving you, now in my ritual. Okay, so all the images have officially been processed with the backgrounds that I chose. Here I'm just going to go over using a design, which is one portion, or you could download it all. I'm going to choose to do an Instagram post. This again is just to show you guys how you can add elements to it, whether it be another image, you want to add text. Using Canva, there's so many different ways that you can enhance your product photos. There's so many different elements, so many tools that Canva is providing, and I just wanted to show you that here it is. So again, I'm going to go in and do an Instagram post. This is just to show you how you can play around with Canva and make some really cool things happen with your product photos. I'm still playing around with the elements to see what I want to do with this actual image, this product photo here. But the premise of this video is to just show you that Canva has a tool available for you to make your product photos more professionally appealing for your consumers. Again, whether it be for a website or if you're doing product listing on other platforms like Amazon, Walmart, and so forth and so on, this is a great way to do your product images in half the time at a very low cost. Just having a Canva membership is really beneficial for you. There's a lot of graphic work that you can get done without having to be an actual graphic designer. Canva just makes it really easy for those of us who are new to this game of being in the graphic space of digital arts, and they really just have everything here for you. So why not use what you got to get what you want? Okay guys, I'm going to conclude this video here, and then I'm going to carry on and figure out what I'm going to do with this product image for my client. But I just wanted to show you guys that Canva has a really cool tool that you can just enhance your product photos at half the time without the hassle of editing. If you are interested in more resources for your small business, please be sure to check out HWC Empowers Her digital courses, available for $20. To learn more, please scan right here. If you like what we're doing and haven't done so already, please connect with us on all social media platforms listed, and like, share, and subscribe to continue to gain more content from Hollywood Consulting. We thank you so much for joining us, and we wish you well on your entrepreneurship journey.